earthquake plan. I woke up in our new apartment. My bed was shaking. The ceiling fan wiggled back and forth. Thump! My basketball rolled off a shelf. I put my pillow over my head. Finally, the shaking stopped. Mom and Dad came to my room. "What was that?" I asked.
It was an earthquake,
said Dad.
Earthquakes occur in some parts of California. Let's make an earthquake plan tomorrow.
The next morning, Dad made breakfast. Mom and I researched earthquake safety on the computer.
If you're in bed, stay there with your head under a pillow,
said Mom. That's what I did, I said. But that's because I was scared. Mom laughed. I read the next part. If you're inside, you should drop, cover, and hold on. What does that mean?
Drop to the floor and take cover under something sturdy. That way, nothing will fall on you,
said Mom.
This table is a good cover,
said Dad, setting down pancakes.
If there's nothing sturdy nearby, drop down next to an inside wall. Stay away from windows. Broken glass could be dangerous. And don't use the elevator.
Once you've found a cover, hold on to something sturdy. Put a hand over your eyes to protect them,
said Mom. If I'm outside, should I run inside? I asked.
No. Move away from buildings, trees, and power lines,
said Dad.
Then drop to the ground until the shaking stops.
We'll make a disaster kit,
said Mom.
Aftershocks can happen even days after an earthquake.
At the store, Mom bought a flashlight, a radio, and extra batteries. I got bottled water and enough canned food to last 3 days. But I didn't get any peas. Yuck! Back at home, Dad put tools in our disaster kit. Mom added first aid supplies and extra clothes. Suddenly, the floor trembled. We dropped to the floor and took cover under the table. I held a table leg and covered my eyes. I wasn't too scared this time. I knew what to do.